Hi, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this video. Now this video is to accompany one of our Etsy listings, and it's for this beautiful shamanic drum just here. This is a buffalo skin drum on an 18-inch willow frame. Yes, it is willow frame, and as you can see, it's been dyed. It's been tie-dyed with this beautiful blue and black contrast, and then you've got the paleness of the natural skin where no dye has gone at all. So yeah, beautiful abstract design, and I'm sure you'll see lots of significant patterns and designs in there which jump out at you. People often do, and the array of different things that people can see within these designs is incredible as well. Okay, so I'm going to play with a soft beater and a firmer beater, so you can have a listen to the sound. It's quite a thickish skin, so it's going to have quite a thick, deepish tone. Start with a soft one. Here we go. Beautiful. So that's the soft one and the firmer one. Beautiful drum, lovely deep tone. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching, bye for now.